Alright, you guys, man, we back over here at the Blazer. Finna get ready to lift up in the air. Get this bottom coated. Slim finna put the wheel lights on. Show you guys. Got the wheel lights. Yes, sir.
Hey.
Y'all see what time it is. Yes, sir. Got the wheel lights. And we also got the rock lights. I didn't get the colorful one, you guys. I got the all white ones. So we got the all white rock lights and all white wheel lights. But for right now, man, we're trying to get on the lift so we can get these tires off. Alright, you guys, she up in the air, man. Finna get ready to get her done, man. Slim finna put the wheel lights on and the rock lights on. Well, you're gonna do the wheel lights first while I paint and then do the rock lights. So I'm gonna try to get all cleaned up under here, you guys. I ain't gonna do that on camera because I don't wanna take too much of the film, and that's kind of boring anyways, you guys. So I ain't gonna show you guys the cleaning process. So I'm gonna get ready to clean up everything. I'm gonna cut you guys back on when I start to paint, so y'all can see that before and that after. So for right now, you guys, I'm gonna get everything all cleaned up, give you guys a quick walk around so I can get everything cleaned up. So y'all stay tuned, cause we definitely trying to get this done today so we can put the wheels on later tonight. So hopefully all goes well and we can finish this up today. Y'all stay tuned. Finna get into it. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, he getting the front done. We got the wheel right here, you guys. We're gonna clean that up and weld that piece there. He got the other two pieces on. So we're gonna put 3 mounts on each wheel. So he got that one on. Wait. Camera trying to focus. If you guys can see that. So we got one there, one there, and then we're going to weld this one. And we're going to do the same thing on the passenger side. So we got the 2 there, and then we're going to weld the one at the bottom. And then for the back, he's going to try to self-tap 3 of them into this piece. So we're going to try that, you guys. If not, we're just going to weld. Oh, it did? Okay, so then we ain't got the welder, you guys. He said it went through, so we're gonna put 3 on this side and 3 on that side. That was pretty fast, but he said that was the hardest part. I think the wiring gonna be the hardest part, but he said mounting them up is the hardest part. So we finna find out. So let me get back into cleaning it, you guys, and then I'll cut you guys back on when I start spraying.